A CRM is not a phone book. It's a tool for building relationships through interactions and value offers. Interactions are different touch points recorded in your CRM, so follow-ups, notes, or emails. Deals, on the other hand, are value packages you offer your customer, whether it's a housing listing, a consulting service, or a solar panel. In OnePageCRM, deals are very interactive. When you add a deal, the pipeline stages appear right away. Simply click on a stage to update it, name it, and choose what services or products it includes. The catalogue has its own page, but you can add new items when creating a deal as well. You can group them in a bundle and add them all to a deal in one click. And that's it, the total amount is calculated automatically. But if needed, you can go deeper. Add commissions and costs, or create monthly recurring deals for contracted work or subscriptions. And if you have multiple people on the team, you can assign those deals to others. You can include a description for the deal and even add files. For example, if you've closed a deal, you could add a signed contract. This will help you keep all your customer interactions on their contact pages. Sharing deals with customers is also easy. Just click on Email Quote. We'll pull in all the data automatically and add it to its own template. All you'll need to do is hit send. Once a deal is created, you can update it from the contact page or manage it in the pipeline. Just like with contacts and organizations, you can create custom fields for deals too. For example, add discounts, payment terms, or membership types. In your action stream, we'll highlight which contacts have pending deals so your priorities are always clear. And by the way, you don't need to add deals one by one. If you've got them in a spreadsheet, you can import them in bulk. In OnePageCRM, all deals are linked to contacts. So if you're creating a deal from the pipeline page, you'll need to choose an associated contact or create a new one right here. But enough with the theory. Real results are what truly matters. Try creating your first deal in OnePageCRM and let us know how it goes.